Title: Think and Grow Rich. Full audiobook summary. Change your mind, change your life. Intro. Welcome to Book Summary. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful books ever written, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book has changed millions of lives, and it can change yours too. It's not just about money. It's about mindset, belief, and the power of thoughts. So stay with me till the end, because the secret you'll hear today can completely transform the way you think, act, and live. Part 1. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Every success starts with a strong desire. Napoleon Hill says, if you really want something, your desire must be burning, unstoppable, and crystal clear. Most people say, I wish I could be rich, or I hope I succeed. But those who achieve greatness say, I will make it happen, no matter what. Take a piece of paper, write down what you want, how much you want, and by when you want it. Read it every day, morning and night. That's how your dream starts becoming real. Part 2. Faith, believe in yourself. Faith is the secret power that turns thoughts into reality. You must truly believe that what you desire is already yours. When you say, I can't, your mind stops working. When you say, I can, your mind finds a way. Repeat positive affirmations daily. I am confident. I am successful. I am growing richer every day. Soon, your subconscious mind starts accepting it, and your actions follow your belief. Part 3. Autosuggestion. Programming your mind. Autosuggestion means influencing your mind with your own words. The more you repeat something, the deeper it gets into your subconscious. That's why you must constantly remind yourself who you want to be. For example, I attract success and wealth. Every step I take moves me closer to my goals. You become what you think about, all day, every day. Part 4. Specialized knowledge. Knowledge alone isn't power. Applied knowledge is power. Anyone can read books, but successful people take action on what they learn. Learn one skill deeply. Master it. Because when you master one thing, the world pays you for it. Part 5. The Mastermind Principle. Surround yourself with people who inspire and push you forward. Hill calls this the Mastermind Group, a network of like-minded people sharing energy, ideas, and motivation. When two minds come together with a single purpose, a third invisible force is created, a mastermind energy that multiplies success. Part 6. Imagination. Everything begins in your imagination. The airplane, the light bulb, even the phone you're using right now. They all started as ideas. So never underestimate your imagination. See yourself living your dream life every single day. Feel it. Believe it. Because if you can imagine it, you can achieve it. Part 7. Decision and persistence. Successful people decide quickly and change their decisions slowly. Don't wait for the right moment. Start now, and once you start, never quit. Hill says, winners never quit, and quitters never win. Even when others doubt you, keep moving, because persistence turns dreams into destiny. Ending. The secret to riches. The real secret of Think and Grow Rich is this. You become what you think about most of the time. Your thoughts are magnets. They attract the people, opportunities, and circumstances that match your inner world. So think big, act bold, and never stop believing in your vision. Because the richest place on earth is not a bank, it's the human mind. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Book Summary for more powerful book lessons and life-changing motivation. Remember, Don't just think and grow rich. Act, believe, and live rich. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.